Well, this is random. I went to go drop my friend's jacket off. He left it one day when we were working on my brother-in-law's Volkswagen. I was gonna go drop it off to him at work around the corner, and my Jeep turned off. I don't know what this thing is. I've been fighting it turning off for almost 2 years now. I don't know what's going on, but right now I just want to get it home. I'm gonna load it up on my trailer with bad wood and put it in the garage. Well, welcome back to Rashad's garage. And today, the Jeep turned off on me while I was driving. Let me show you how I have it connected right now. Just a winch, first gear, parking brake. I just needed to load it on so I can get it home. Luckily, I was only a mile away, so I just walked home. My truck and trailer were already connected. I did grenade my freaking jump pack because my battery is dead for me trying to figure out and cranking it. So now I need to buy a new jump pack. But yeah, the Jeep turned off. I replaced a whole bunch of sensors. I'll go over it once I get it in the garage. And yeah, this kind of sucks. This is what the feet looks like. Like I said, it just turned off on me. So now I only had it winched on, first gear, parking brake. I'm about to try to pull it off straight and hopefully I can curve it. Actually, I think I need to pull up a little more. But yeah, once I get it unloaded, I'll show you guys the sensors I replaced. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. I got the Jeep off the trailer. What I did, like y'all seen, I winched it and I let off the winch, let off the brake, and it just rolled in here. Kind of messed up my fender again. But I'll show you what I replaced so you can get a good understanding. Back in El Paso, I bought all these 1, 2, 3 on the backside new, and I replaced them with eBay ones. Once I realized those eBay ones were bad, I went back to Rock Auto and I got legit ones. So those are all Rock Auto Mopar ones. And then on this side, I replaced this sensor that goes in the cap and rotor. I forgot what it's called. I replaced the coil pack, and I replaced the crank position sensor twice with a XJ style one for the AX15 and a, let's see if it's right here, and this one with the bracket. So this one's still new, you can see. So I don't know what's going on. It just turned off on me, so I had to bring it back home. And then another thing I'm doing today, the truck was connected to a trailer. That's because I'm going to get a daily. Not a car I'm buying and selling right away. I'll eventually sell it like in a few months once I start picking up on buying and selling. But it's just another car for me to drive. The Z, I just don't want to take it out every day, drive to work. I want to keep the miles relatively low. I mean, I still drive it, have fun in it. And then a Jeep, yes, it can be a daily. It does get 17 miles per gallon, but it's kind of starting to be impractical driving it every day with the big tires and the way it is. I mean, it works. So I'm going to get another car so I can park the truck, drive it when I need to. I do plan on getting rid of that soon, getting another truck, a different one. So yeah, let me move this truck so these people can get by, because there's already been 2 that have to drive up on the curb. And I'll get back to you guys when it's time for me to go get my car. So I mentioned earlier, I wanted a new daily. So here it is. This is a 540i, 1998 6-speed M Sport. I always wanted one of these cars. I decided to take a break from buying and selling. So this is going to be my daily for at least like half a year, 6 months. I want to keep it for a while, see how it is. The interior is really nice. Let's see. Interior is like spotless. Manual, M Sport. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this car for a while, so you guys will see it in the background. Barely any dents. One on the door. I'm gonna treat this like I do my Z, park it in the back like I treat my truck. Park it in the back lots so I don't get door dings on it. But yeah, here is my car. I'm really excited for it. All right, let me give you guys an update. The BMW, I did do some stuff to it. I did 110 It you kind of can see it. This thing is loud for 110, and I also did. That was a little messy. I got some stuff in here, but I also did a radio. So now it has a Apple CarPlay factory-looking head unit and a 10-inch sub. I'll post a little clip I did of a demo. But yeah, this is everything. I still haven't figured out the Jeep, so once I figure that out, I'll let you guys know. And then that's it. With that being said, like, comment, and subscribe for more.